This is an antique Singer Model 66 with red-eye decals. Serial number is G9771007, which dates it to the beginning of 1923. I upgraded it to the side clamp and foot so it can use all the standard common Singer attachments. The machine's actually in very good condition, good decals, chrome, and everything fully serviced, completely functional. And basically I just want to show you how well it stitches. I've got 6 layers of denim, which I already sewed once for photo in the ad. Now do a full speed stitch, because that will test if you're going to break or miss stitches, which necessarily doesn't show up at slow speeds. And one other thing, a person had asked me once if they how well it does on thinner materials. So basically, I never told anyone, but every machine when I first set it up, I used a paper towel. And you can see with the paper towel, it goes through, doesn't bunch it or tear it or anything. So I'll show you my paper towel. Maybe I'm going to start adding these to videos. But then here is the denim. And it was easier to see on the front, the stitches. I don't know how it's going to show up here on the back, but there were no skip stitches. And everything's good. And there you have it.